Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. We are going live. Just wanted to make sure everything is working. And we are live as every day. Today also we have a great strategy for you to grow your business with ease. What can you do? What can you do to grow your business with ease? Yeah, you can get booked as a guest speaker. Yes, you can surely do that. And how it can be done? Let's explore that. So, your path to visibility and growth. Hey, I promise that now on I will be doing presentation on treadmill. Right now, my treadmill is off. So, let me just turn off my treadmill and let's get started. Yes, I'm purposely doing my presentation on treadmill because many solopreneurs say that they don't have time to work out. They don't have time to work out, and yeah, they suffer their health. And I don't want solopreneurs to be suffering by any means. I want them to have holistic experience. I want them to have fulfilled life. So this is my yeah, my passion, and yeah, my give back to you guys, so that if I can do presentation on treadmill, you can do your presentation on treadmill, you can attend your meetings on treadmill, so that you won't be building your business at the cost of your health, because health is a really precious thing in your life. And I don't want solopreneurs to be suffering because of lack of health. And I always mention Steve Jobs' last write up. It was full of regrets, and he mentioned one thing: I can trade everything except the sick bed. So I don't want your last write up to be with such kind of regrets. I want you to have fulfilled life. I want you to have, yeah, abundance of health, wealth, and happiness. So this is my commitment for you, to show that you can take care of your health and still you can build your business. And happiness is mindset, and that's why I have lots of mindset related courses in my paid community. And of course, even on in my free community, it will be really amazing. It will be really amazing. Okay, so get booked as a guest speaker, your part to visibility and growth. Okay, let's get started. As a solopreneur and small business owner, the journey can often feel isolating. You are juggling multiple roles, striving to make your mark, and facing challenge of building visibility in a crowded market. Yeah, people say it is a really great niche to have, either health or wealth or any relationship based. Yeah, those are really niches in demand, but those are really crowded too. How are you going to set yourself apart from your competitors? So here is a powerful trick, and that can transform your business: public speaking. Public speaking, yeah, many people actually they fear of public speaking. They prefer to die instead of delivering in public. Hey, look at me. English is my third language. I'm working hard to speak slow because I like to go fast, and I already have accent. So if I go fast, you won't understand me anything. So I'm working really hard to go slow, enunciate my each vowel. So that is how I'm overcoming my public speaking. And looking at me, I think I'm giving you hope. You might be thinking, hey, if she can speak, then surely we can speak, because you might be in a better condition than me. So I'm here to give you hope. Imagine stepping into a room or a virtual stage filled with potential customers who are eager to hear what you have to say. Not only does this boost your confidence, but it also opens doors for new opportunities. About me, I have walked the path of solo entrepreneurs who once had no sales, no partnerships, and plenty of questions. Over time, by teaming up with right people and staying focused, I turned a small idea into dependable stream of daily revenue, daily income. The hard earned experience is why I now help fellow entrepreneurs, solopreneurs start their e commerce business, create digital assets, and profit consistently with affiliates. At New Beginning, and you spelled it nubeginning.com. You can find the link in my profile. We are committed to supporting entrepreneurs at every critical stage of their digital business, launching, scaling, and selling. I share programs like Launch Your Digital Dream in a Week or Less, Sell Your Digitals with Ease of Collaboration, and many more. My team and I are dedicated to helping entrepreneurs achieve profitability quickly while selling digital products. When you work with us, you are joining a supportive community where every step leads to practical results. What we offer? We offer Launch Your Dream in a Week or Less. This program guides you in creating digital offers that people really want. These are validated, proven. Because if you spend a lot of time and money creating your offer, and if it is not validated, and if you see there is no demand, yeah, means you wasted time. Here it is, everything is proven. Our Bees in a Box setup enables you to quickly launch and sell your digital products, yeah, and create fast revenue with resources like ready-made sales pages. Yeah, if you go for sales page, just one sales page can cost you $500. Here everything is included in Bees in a Box. And complete marketing funnel. If you want to create a customized funnel, yeah, there are agencies charging like $4,000. Here everything is included. You will be on fast track to selling your digital products, yes, and creating fast revenue, because many solopreneurs quit their business before launching their first product. Many entrepreneurs don't see second year in their business. Those who see second year, many of them don't see fifth year in their business. I'm here to reverse the trend. Yes. So you will discover how to package your expertise, whether you are interested in listing items on top platforms for selling digital products or exploring other sales avenues like Etsy, Shopify. Yeah, everything is possible. Plus, we offer a comprehensive AI upgrade option if you need it. Yeah, AI is so prevalent, and why not to use it, because it will make you more productive. You cannot depend totally on AI, but AI is a tool and that will take care of lots of mundane and repetitive tasks. So, hey, you can automate easily with AI, you can do chat box, you can do various things with AI. Yeah, you can set up your emails and everything. So, you just use your strategy in your business, and um, mechanical, regular, just menial task, let AI automate it. AI is a tool. You cannot totally depend on AI. It is still your strategy, but you can use AI for you to become more productive, and so that you can create more time in your life, because that is what we want, right? We want more free time so that we can live our life to the fullest. Sell your digitals with collaborations. I can vouch for collaborations, and collaborations saved businesses for so many people. A couple of days back, I told you a story about Lego, and Lego, they were at the verge of bankruptcy. They were like $800 million in debt, and they were losing like $1 million every day or something like that, and it was really bad. And now they are the biggest company, and they are multi billion-dollar company, and they changed their strategy. They used strategic collaborations. So if they can come from bankruptcy to $1 billion, we can learn lessons from them, and we can use collaborations for our business. So if you are ready to scale, we will show you how thoughtful collaborations transforms sales and reach. Dive into effective partnership strategies that propel your products and audiences you would never reach alone. It's a smart way to borrow other people's audiences, and you there are I have written a free course, 27 ways to collaborate, and I'm pretty sure there might be even more ways, but when I created the course I knew only 27 ways. So I just made a course out of the things which I was using. Maybe I will add extra module if I end up using more ways of collaborations. But I think 27 ways are more than enough for you to get started and start collaborating with strategic partners. So dive into effective partnership strategies that propel your products to audiences. And it's really smart idea to borrow other people's audiences, and you can have various ways. You can do cross promotion, you can do affiliate swaps, podcast swaps, freebie swaps, blog swaps. I can go on and on. There are so many ways. So in real estate seminar, they always say build your business using other people's money. So here we say build or grow your business using other people's audiences. But we are not just using other people's audiences. We are creating win-win-win situation, because you are winning because you are getting extra audience. Your collaborator is winning because there will be some kind of reward system you must have, yeah, accepted. And collaborators audience is winning because they come to know about your great offers. Otherwise they would have never come to know, right? So it is a win-win-win situation, and I love that, because in any kind of win lose or lose win situation, you cannot have a long term relationship. When there is a win win situation, you can have long term relationship. Once you have good relationships established, you don't have to keep on looking for new collaborations. Means you can work with your existing partners, and you can grow your business. New Beginning Success Collaboration Mastermind. So get the support you need for ongoing growth. In the Success Collaboration, you will tap into group insights, discover how e commerce can make money for you long term with ease of collaboration, and brainstorm best side hustles for 2025. And I know this will be applicable even for many years to come, surely. And this mastermind, it provides you even the expert guidance, so that you will have a mentor who can takes care of your blind spot, so that you will have shortcut to success. And second, will tell you what worked for him or her and what didn't work for him or her, so that you know what not to do. Because it's good to learn from your mistakes, but it is always better to learn from somebody else's mistakes. Plus you will get a collaborative community of like-minded people, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners who are in the same shoes. And that will be really amazing, because you know what challenges they are facing and how they are overcoming those challenges, so that you will be inspired to take action, yeah, towards your challenges. And Yeah, expert will be guiding you to navigate you through those challenges so that you can come out those through those challenges as a victor. Why public speaking matters? Public speaking, it is the highest paid profession, but it is still it has maximum fear. Okay, public speaking is not just about sharing your expertise. It is a strategic move to get in front of new audiences. Here is how it addresses the common main points. Building brand awareness. Get your name and business in front of people you may not have met already. Growing your email list. Attract interested followers who want to hear more from you. Making connections. Network with other professionals and potential collaborators. Converting customers. Yeah, bottom line, we want to have conversion, right? And public speaking creates no like and trust factor because they see you either in person or virtually, so that more trust is built and more conversions. Real success stories. Jessica, a health coach, Jessica started speaking at local wellness fairs. Within months she grew her email list from 50 to 500. Her client base expanded significantly, leading to a thriving online coaching business. We also share lots of strategies where you can build your subscriber base even faster, like bundles and summits. And most of these opportunities that they are even free. You don't even have to spend your hard-earned money. Yeah, you just have to share your freebie and expertise. That's it. Mark, a digital marketer. Mark began guest speaking on podcasts related to his niche. He gained visibility, which resulted him in a 30% increase in client inquiries and successful launch of his digital product. That is what all of us want, right? Yeah, we cater mainly people who create digital products and who want to sell digital products. But these strategies are applicable for everyone. Yeah, they are applicable even for physical product, brick and mortar business. Yes. How to get started? To become successful guest speaker, follow these steps. Identify your niche. What topics are you passionate about? Where can you provide value? Because if you are passionate about any particular topic, it is so much of fun. You will enjoy your life while working. Yeah, you don't need another entertainment or fun part. Means your business, your life will be so much enjoyable. And it is easy for you. If you are passionate about any particular thing, it becomes very easy for you so that you don't have to struggle. Reach out. Use the sales scripts. Are you looking for guests to talk about any particular topic? This simple question can open many doors. Utilize various platforms. Consider podcast, Instagram lives, online summits, workshops, and many more diverse your platforms for the broader reach. Now today, just within 1 hour, I will be talking in a summit that is a symposium, and I will be talking about selling your products using collaboration. And my that talk is different from today's what I'm delivering right now. So if you want to join the symposium, still there is a time. You can come. You can ask me the link. I'll provide you the link. And next week I'm joining Colin's Facebook group where we will be talking. We'll be doing a joint live. You can do joint webinar, you can do various things. So I'm just giving you examples. So whatever I'm telling you, I am practicing. I'm implementing in my life and my business, and they are working. So I'm sharing those strategies with you. So I'm not sharing theory, I'm just sharing every strategy which worked for me. Now it is your weekly challenge, your homework. This week, connect with at least one person who hosts events or platforms relevant to your expertise. Ask if they are looking for guest speakers. Take action. Join us. Selling digital products can be really simple. When I started digital business, I heard that okay, to see real money in digital business, you have to wait at least for a couple of years. In third year, you will see some money. And I didn't like that statistics because solopreneurs work really hard. They quit 40 hours of job to start their business, end up working 80 hours. They wear 27 hats, they are doing everything. They are not understood by their friends and family. If they are friends and family, they are not solopreneurs, they are not understood. So I really feel solopreneurs, they deserve a lot. And that's why I just want them to start making money as early as possible. Once they have steady income coming in, yeah, then they can focus on, if they want to diversify because they are multi-passionate, they can do that. Or if they just want to live their life on their own terms, they can do that. But let's make selling digital products really simple. Building a thriving online venture doesn't have to be overwhelming. Our approach shows you where you can find the best platforms to sell digital products and how to earn money fast without cutting corners. You have been curious about Master Result Right course? Biz in a Box is the best place for you because these courses, there are 8 courses, they are ready to be sold. They come with the marketing material, with the ready-made sales pages, they come with everything. So it is a digital business in a box. And if you choose done for you offer, we can set up your system in one day. If you choose done with you offer, we will help you and you can start your business within a week. This is such a time saver because I saw people spending 6 months in creating their lead magnet. I saw people spending years and years in creating one e course. And that is a really lot of time waster. And that's why we have these ready made things which you can actually sell as it is, or you can rebrand and sell. And it is such a time saver because you cannot recreate time. You can, yeah, lose money, you can make money, but hey, the time gone is gone. And time is flying like crazy. Claim your gifts because you are attending this live. You are eligible to get our gifts worth of $600. You can go to the website newbeginning.com. You can find the details about how to redeem the gift. And hey, let's get started. If you are looking for AI training, free AI training, join our AI lab 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. For limited time, we are having every weekday these AI labs where there will be multiple experts. They will be tackling one project every time there every day, and they will show you. They will answer your questions, and every time they will start with one project and they will navigate you through how to do that project. And it can be anything. It can be like creating a chat box or writing a children's comic book, or just creating social media content, anything, creating images, whatever it is. But they will navigate you through. You can ask the questions, they will even gift the prompts what they are using in that particular lab. It's amazing, and we are not keeping it open for everyone. It is by invitation only, and if you want to be invited for that, please let me know and I'll send you the invitation. No, implement these strategies. These strategies are as good as only after implementation, because yeah, if you don't apply the knowledge, it is not good. It will just give you knowledge constipation. What is the use of that? The tips and tactics from our programs are designed for immediate results. Start putting them into practice to see changes in your business right away. Connect with our communities. Surround yourself with like minded entrepreneurs on the same journey. Together, we transform everyday hurdles into chances for progress. Yeah, you can do that. And as we talk about community, I have a free community and paid community. So there are free communities like Joint Venture, Facebook group, or even Max 3R. There are already hundreds of entrepreneurs there. They are willing to collaborate, and if you have any event coming up or launch coming up, you can just mention that I need help. Can you cross promote? Can we do so? Yeah, means there are hundreds. So out of that, even few come and help you. Still, it will be a really boost for your launch. Still, it will be a really boost for your event. Why not to try? So these are the free communities, and also I have paid communities. The only difference between free community and paid community means basically in our paid community there will be expert who will be helping you and guiding you virtually on weekly basis, monthly basis, so that you can create assets for your business. You can move the needle into your own business. So, for more tips and resources that millionaires use to scale their businesses, check out newbeginning.com, and again, new is spelled NUBEGINNING.com. We are also setting new website soupats.com. We are here to help you tackle challenges in selling digital products and expanding your reach globally. Digital products are so easy to sell globally. I remember when I started selling my digital products, the first customer I got was from New Zealand. Second customer I got was from Australia. I have never been to those countries. But and then I started getting floods of customers from Europe, and now I have customer base even in US and Canada. So it's really easy to reach global market, and we also have affiliate army over 200 plus countries where they are willing to sell your digital products for nominal commission, so that sales and marketing, if it is not your forte, they will do the heavy lifting for you, and you live the life which you want to live, which you always envision to live. We strive to help you create a future where your digital business operates seamlessly, enhances your lifestyle, and potential prepares you for selling your e-commerce business when the time is right. Hey, if you want to X yourself out of the business, that option also is available. Let's move forward together. So start building your visibility today and watch your business flourish. Just simple way. Start public speaking, and if you are not ready for use stages like right now you are not ready to go and partner with Tony Robbins, yeah, that's perfectly fine. Start just with small live like TikTok live, Instagram live, Facebook live, LinkedIn live, whichever platform. Actually, I am using this particular presentation on various platforms. I am going live right now on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And it's amazing. Why not? Why not? And then this episode also will be available on a podcast. So hey, repurposing is fun because your audience may not be on each and every platform, so it's better to cover multiple platforms. Why not? And it is possible. Technology is making everything possible. So why not? I'm giving proven resources, the resources which work for me, which work for people in my community, and I'm providing those resources free to you on every weekday so that you can move the needle in your business. Yeah, but again, the resources are there everywhere. But if you really want the implementation help, join our community where the implementation help is possible and available. And hey, let's help you grow your business with ease of collaboration. Thank you and God bless you. I'll be there tomorrow again with another needle mover tip for you to grow your business with ease. Thank you.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of two, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you and God bless you.